Hello guys, here you can see a closer look of Akey DIY heat press machine. You can also see what's inside the box and also how it's very easy to operate. It is so nice that it already includes beautiful DTF transfers, a user manual, and the basic tools for setup. Here's the digital monitor machine. Now I'm totally unboxing the 15 by 15 heat press equipment. Here's what's inside the user manual. It's very easy to understand, very simple and basic. And it also has a quick instructions on how to use the machine. What I love here, it has a reference guide for each material to use. I love the DTF design, just so cute. I had 5 DTF transfers to start the project right away. So this is all that's included in the box. These are all very basic and simple tools, and this machine is very easy to set up and also easy to operate. Now watch and see how I easily set this up and created my first project with this heat press machine.